Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to add multiple colors to a listing on eBay. As you can see right here, I'm currently on the eBay listing page, and you want to scroll down to right where you see color, right here. From here, you're going to tap on this section, and you could select multicolor if you want. But if you want to write out the different colors that your item has, you can simply tap in the search bar right there. And from here, you'll be able to write out the colors. All you'll have to do is simply put a comma between them. And from here, you can continue adding colors, as you can see right there. And you'll simply tap on Add Custom Value. And that's it. That's how to add multiple colors on eBay listing. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.